Hi people, this is Thea from TLC Slots, and we are here in beautiful Cripple Creek, Colorado. Let's go win some money! Okay, this is a real cute little game. It's a Lock It Link, and it's called Cats, Hats, and More Bats. And I have it set at a 10-cent denomination, and I'm going to start off with $5 bets. Ooh. Those must be really good. Come on, show me what you got. Alright, the mini is up to $100. But we really want the grand. It's at $15,000. We want 3 of those, I take it. Come on. Or 3 of those, maybe? Let's see. Just do something so I'll know. Come on. Come on. Show me what something. Just show me something. Wow. One more. I guess we won a lot of those. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, because they lock it. It's a link. I get it. Okay, come on. Come on. Do it again. This is a fun game. Okay, we need one here to lock those. That's okay. That'll work. Gives me 3 more spins. Oh, let's lock those up. Come on, let's lock them. Link it, link it. 1 more spin. Come on. Give me another one, please, please, please. That's okay. It's still a pretty good win, I would say. Good. $180. That was fun. I put in 200. Now I have 219. Oh, another one. Come on, let's do it. That was fun. I want to do it again. Come on. I want to get some of those and just to see what they do. Oh, come on. Major was $1,200. Come on, do it again. Aw. Down. We can't have that. Come on. Doesn't count. Come on. Let's do a $10 bet. Okay. Come on. Okay. Come on. Give me one. Lock it. Come on. Oh, good. Oh, good. Okay, let's see. Twinkman. Let's Twinkman. Oh, did we get it? This will be a good one. Come on, another one. Just link it. Come on. Link it. That's it. Oh, $230. I like that one. Oh, good. I got my money back. Okay, we're going to do one $5 bet. And I'm cashing out because I am a winner on Cats, Hats, and More Bats Rocket League. So if you like my video, hit like and hit subscribe and leave me a comment.